So if you are a designer, and most of the times you use computer to design, especially when you use Photoshop to design, you might be getting the resources just after opening the software to choose your size, just like the photopea right here. So if you click on this photopea, the new project over here, you can actually get to choose your sizes. You see, we have the width here, we have the height. You can choose everything before you start your design process. All right. So if you are a Pixellab designer, you are not going to get this. Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be the first to get my notification. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you very much for always clicking on my videos. And I hope you continue to get value from this channel. Please like this video as well. All right. So recently I was telling my students that before you start your design process, you first of all need to know the size that you are designing for. Perhaps your clients may want your design or his design to be posted on social media or even be printed out. So you must first make the inquiry about the sizes that you must your client wants. Okay, for instance, if your clients want to post his design on social media, you further ask questions about which social media platform, because we have sizes for those social media platforms. All right. So if you are using Pixellab, you might not get the chance to actually select these sizes just after opening the Pixellab. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So if I click on my Pixellab right here, you see it comes out automatically like this. So you have to manually choose the size that you want. Before you can choose that, you need to first of all click on this icon here. Then you go to image size, then you click on it. But if you don't know the design size that your clients need, this is where you fumble. Because when you send it to print, you are actually going to get a very dull or low resolution print out over there in the printing press. So how do you go about it? It's very simple. First of all, ask your clients the kind of design that you want. Maybe the client needs the design to be on an A4 sheet. So what you are going to do is just go to your browser, click on your Google search, then you search for A4 sheet into pixel. So A4 into or in pixel. Okay. So once you do this, search it and it's going to give you the size in pixel. Okay. So as you can see here, we have the size to be 2480 and 3508. So you can choose to copy it or just memorize it for this short time. And you go back here, then you choose, or you can paste it here rather. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. So we have 2480 by 3508. So 3508. All right, then you hit your OK. Now you can see the size has changed to the size of an A4 sheet. So this is portrait mode. If you want it to be in landscape, the same thing, just switch the numbers over here. Okay, switch the numbers over here. Switch it and you are going to get the design in landscape. So this must be done first before starting the design process. All right, so that when we are going to print it out, it will be of the exact size that you want. Okay, because you have already scaled it. All right, so perhaps you want it to be on it's going to be an Instagram post, right? So just search for an Instagram post size. Click on Instagram post size in pixel. Okay, so you can see the 1080 by 1080, and you can also see 1080 by 566 right here. Okay, there you can also see 1080 by 920. So it depends on the kind that you want. You just have to copy these values and paste it in there. All right, now that you have finished your design, all right, now that you have finished your design on this particular size, you need to print it out. Printing it out, you just have to come to this icon at the top here, save as image, then you save as JPEG. This one, sorry, JPG. Okay, save as JPG, no transparency. Then you click on ultra. Click on this custom and switch to ultra mode. Once you switch to ultra mode, you can now click on your save to gallery. Right. Once you save it to gallery, you are going to get the exact same size as the A4 sheet portrait, sorry, landscape that you want the design to be in. So when you send this design to your printing press, trust me, it's going to come out nice and clean. All right. So this is how you can get your size of the design that you are going to design out there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find it very helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Push it to others so that they also get benefits from this video. Thank you once again. See you in my next video.